With biosecurity, implement strict measures to prevent the introduction and spread of diseases, such as controlling visitors' access, disinfecting equipment, and managing animal introductions. Many people do this mistake, like allowing people to visit their poultry farm, which is very, very bad, 100%. This would bring more diseases on your poultry farm, because every person who comes on your farm, you don't know, he will see what he's suffering from. Maybe can be flu, can be any different disease which can attack your poultry farm. Monitoring and testing. Regular health checkup and diagnostic testing of identify and manage the disease early. Through managing the disease early, this will help you to avoid overspending. Hello my people, welcome to the channel. Kindly consider subscribing and hit that notification bell. Today we shall be looking on how to take care of your poultry farm, and we are here to share with you the ideas that you must consider. So without wasting time, let's go into that one. Kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. We have the health management. Make sure that you keep the regular checkup illness in your chickens or in your birds, in order to be aware of some diseases which can destroy your birds. Make sure you maintain that biosecurity in your poultry keeping, and this will help you to abstain some problems which may take you to a certain loss which you may be not prepared for. Housing provide a clean, well ventilated and spacious environment to protect poultry from harsh weather and predators. We have also got feeding. Ensure that the birds have constant access to clean water and balanced diet, and appropriate for their age and type, broilers, layers. If you are a farmer and you have your poultry farm, make sure that if you have, maybe you are being affected by flu, make sure you wear a mask if you want to enter in the poultry house. And if you note that you have such disease, you may not enter into that house, because you bring in the disease and mentioned disease like flu, cough and many others. And also make sure don't allow the visitors to come on your poultry farm, because they will bring the diseases. To bring diseases, make sure that even the poultry house is far away from the people who are entering into your farm. This will help you to gain more money in terms of this will help you to gain more money when you follow the procedures of not allowing everybody to enter the poultry house, providing vaccines, providing nice water to the poultry farm. We have got cleaning. Regularly clean and disinfect the housing and equipment to prevent the buildup of harmful bacteria and pests which can destroy the younger ones birds. You can see, if you bring them when they are still young, they need a lot of care. You need to provide glucose in water where they are drinking from, and this help them to gain energy when they are still young. Provide their accessible food, specific food according to the age where they are when you are carrying out poultry keeping. Make sure that you always come and check up within the morning or evening to separate them from being in a confined area, to avoid fidgeting, because once they are fidgeted in one place, which means they will not be able to breathe well, and Once they fail to breathe, that means they will be able to die, because they cannot overcome that situation due to the situation where they are still young, and they will be unable to protect themselves. So it is a must for you to keep on checking them, whether you wake up at night and take care of them, providing heat and even preventing pests. Disease that can affect your poultry farm. To mention a few, we have coccidiosis caused by protozoan parasite. We have got Newcastle disease caused by virus, and the symptom of Newcastle disease is the respiratory distress. We have nervous system disorders and decreased egg production. And to overcome all this, make sure you vaccinate your birds and even maintain biosecurity measures on your farm. And even make sure that you know the type of or the breed which you need to rear. Make sure you choose either broiler, layer, or multi-purpose. Choose what is the best for you, and you'll be able to have your poultry farm profitable and inspirable by many people who will wish to perform such activities. Activity on how to handle this poultry farm. You will know the vaccination and also the disease, the type of disease which has caused. Maybe some of them have caused viruses and also protozoan, like I have mentioned. So those are the one of the steps that you must consider. Make sure that you build a standard house of the chicken where they can live and live in a happy life, because you cannot build a leaking house. If it starts leaking, then that means that the water from up will be draining in the poultry house, and this will destroy their life of living. Some of them will end up dying because of too much coldness. When it comes to constructing the poultry house, it must be located where there's no noisy place, like where they are playing discos, where there is people who are talking too much, and this will normally disturb them. For example, I have this recycled bottle. Now if I make a sound when I'm near on that poultry house, let me give you an example. When I do like this, so those birds will be scared. They will be scared, and this will affect them. The unnecessary noise will affect the birds in the poultry house. So if you are constructing the poultry house, make sure that there is no noise. Make sure that it is free from noisy place. Guys, consider subscribing, hit the notification bell, like, share and comment. I wish you the best. Have a perfect day. Bye bye.